Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing the Coca-Cola Snow Cone Maker. So I'm pretty excited. Holds enough snow cone for approximately 20 8-ounce snow cones. Includes 2 reusable plastic cones. Works with standard ice cubes. Side tray holds 2 snow cones. Stainless steel cutting blades quickly shave ice into fluffy snow. Let's get started because I know I'm excited about this product. Check that out. Do not turn the wheels, they are decorative only. Alright, and looks like the sticky tape that they put on sticks to the wheels, so we're going to have to get some glue stuff to remove that. Not an issue, so the lid just opens right up. Pull out everything that comes with it. You got your little tray here. So that looks like it would just slide right in here somehow. Just like that. Plastic cups. We're going to go ahead and wash them first. It's always a good rule of thumb to wash anything that you get before you test it out. So we're going to wash everything here. So we turn it over here, you can see the little door. So it's just made out of cheap plastic. Everything's a cheap plastic. So it doesn't look like there's a drain plug, but that's okay because you can just simply turn it over and pour everything out and then use a paper towel and clean inside. So that's not a big deal. So we're going to go ahead and wash these. What you're going to want is ice cubes. We already got ice cubes made. So we're placing them in our ice cutter. Make sure we have this locked in here. Everything's locked in. So guys, as you can hopefully see here, we got some ice in here, and we went ahead, see if we can dim our light so you can see the natural color. We put strawberry in here, and as you can see, chopped up the ice. It's good. It did the ice great. It will take some time, so depending on your ice cube size, it's going to sometimes not even shed any ice, and then 5 minutes later it'll just start dumping a whole bunch of ice. So pretty much you want to put your ice in, fill it to the top, and just let it go, and check on it every couple minutes and see how much ice build up. But yeah, it's definitely good. I'm happy with it. It's gonna be fun, especially if we have people over. Very happy.